How we doing out there? So, as you can see, I've been going down the rabbit hole a little bit since my last video with the trading desks and everything. And now we're kind of getting into some other things here. Making some additions, key lights, Elgato key lights. I've added a second PC. See if I can get that typed in there. There it is. Yeah, and I still got some other junk right there that's got to be cleared out. But, whoops. There we go. Anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know, I appreciate all the new follows. We're up to like 202 subscribers now. I will be making a full-blown video on all this, on what exactly I got going on and why I'm doing it, and all the parts and pieces. So I hope you guys will continue to subscribe, like, comment, and just know that I'm not ignoring the channel. I'm just busy down this rabbit hole. Peace out.